Okay. Now 8th question says Raman sells two wristwatches for rupees 1200 each. So you will divide a page into two halves. Wristwatch 1, wristwatch 2. This we have done it last year also. And the selling price is 1200. In one he get 20%, in another he got loss of 20%. So you find out the cost price for both the cases, find out the total cost price, total selling price, compare and do by yourself. Then you will find out the profit or loss percent. Don't assume by saying ki 20% profit and 20% loss, so it will be neutral. No, it is not. Now question number 9. Leela sold her gold necklace at a price of 7%. So profit of 7%. Profit percent is given as 7%. And if he had sold for rupees 294 more. Now difference is given as rupees 294 rupees. Rupees 294. What should have? She should have got rupees profit of 10%. Now situation 2 are given. One is he sold her gold necklace and get a profit of 7%. Second thing, if he had sold 294 rupees more, जो selling price है उससे, if he had sold it for 294 more rupees, she will get a profit of 10%. Now here profit is not given, neither a cost price nor a selling price. So here we assume let the cost price be 100. Why cost price? Because original value will be cost price. Until unless you will not purchase, you will not sold any item. So cost price will be 100. Now profit is 7%. So selling price will be into CP. CP is 100. So it is 107. This is first situation. Now we will take second situation. Selling price, I am writing 1 and 2. 100 plus 10 upon 100 into 100. So 110. So earlier the cost price is 107. Now it is 110. So difference in SP, how much? 110 minus 107, that is 3 rupees. Yes. Now we will do the proportion method. Difference is to cost price such that difference is to cost price. Now difference is 3. So cost price is 100. And when the difference is 294 is to x. Do the formula of proportion. AD equal to BC. 294 into 100 equal to 3x. X equal to 294 into 100 upon 3. 9, 27, 24, 98. So cost price is 98. 100, and it was asked find the cost price only. Clear? So like this you will do the 9th question also. In 9th question, a coat was sold at a shopkeeper by the shopkeeper at a gain of 5%. So cost price be 100, profit is 5%, so selling price will be 105. If it had been sold, it's an imaginary condition, sold for 1650 less, that means he would have suffer a loss of 5%. So here it is 105, now it is loss, so 100 minus 5 upon 100 into 195. So difference between 105 and 95 is 10. So when difference is 10 is 200, when it is 1650 is 2x, and then you solve by yourself. Clear? Now I will do the 11th question. 11th question says that a shopkeeper owner purchased 100 notebooks for rupees 15 each. However, so total cost price will be cost price of 100 notebooks equal to 15 into 100, that is rupees 1500. Yes, 5 notebooks have been thrown away as the few pages were torn off it. Now remaining notebooks, 5 are wasted, so remaining notebooks will be 100 minus 5, 95. Then he said that the remaining were sold at a rupees of 18 each. So selling price of 95 notebooks. Now students, he is already having a loss that he wasted 5 notebooks. So he has increased the price of selling at a price of rupees 18. So 95 into 18. 5 is a 40, 9 is a 72, 72, 76. 1710. Now you can see it's a profit of 210 rupees. Yes. So profit percent 210 upon cost price 1500 into 100. So 5, 70, 14. 14% is the profit of this question. Now next is a retailer bought a mixie from a wholesaler dealer for rupees 4500. So cost price is 4500, sold it at 6000. Find his profit or loss percent. So it is simple, cost price, selling price is given, find out the profit or loss. So this question you do by yourself. And there is at the back answer is wrong, so you just check by yourself. Alright. Now question number 13. Question 13 says that a fruit vendor buys oranges at the rate of 5 for rupees 40. Now cost price of 5 oranges equal to rupees 40 and sell them rupees 9 per orange. Now the quantity is not same, so what we do, we calculate for one quantity. Cost price of 1 orange equal to rupees 40 by 5 equal to rupees 8. Yes, selling price of an orange is rupees 9. Now you can easily see that the cost price is lesser than the selling price, so profit is of rupee 1. Profit percent 1 upon 8 into 100. 12.5% is the answer of it. Now the last question, by selling a motorcycle of rupees this. So selling price is given, loss is given, find out the cost price. Okay. So I will do it here. Selling price is rupees 56320. Loss percent 12. Cost price. Formula says 56320 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Now let's apply this formula. Simplify it. 56320 into 100 upon 88. Let's cut with the table of 11. 8, 5, 13. 13 doesn't come. 11, 22, 2 remaining. 22, 2, 0. Now 5 and 2 is a cube of 8. So 6, 40. So cost price is 64,000 rupees. Here we have completed 2 exercises. Thank you.